Good morning students. Today we are going to discuss about advertising budget process. Advertising budget process, like any other processes, including certain elements or certain time bound elements, and all these elements should be well designed and different steps should be fully implemented. Then we can see what are the steps in the advertising budget process. And the advertising budget process consists of four major steps. Firstly, collection of data and preparation of budget. Then presentation and approval of the budget. Then budget execution, and finally control of budget. These are the four major steps involved in the advertising budget process. Determining the size of the future advertising appropriation is the first step in preparing the advertising budget. The budget must be allocated among different market segments, time periods, and geographical areas depending upon the market potential within that segment period or area. The advertising budget is subject to availability of different types of information and data, and further, on the basis of this information, decisions related to target group of customers, products, packaging, and advertisement copy and media selection are undertaken. So, the advertising manager takes a decision how much to be spent on advertising, and the future size of the advertising campaign is the first step towards advertising budget. That is to be prepared from the collection of data. Then comes the preparation of budget. The optimum size of advertising budget depends upon the experience and judgment of advertisement department. The budget is not merely current expenditure but also a capital expenditure. That means it is the process of building an image and a reputation. It's a long period process, so we can see that it is a capital expenditure, and it is more than investment of stimulating immediate sales, and the budget must be allocated among different market segments, time periods, and geographical areas depending upon the market potential within that segment, period, or area. So the collection of data and the preparation of advertising budget is the first step in the advertising budget process. Let us discuss the next step in the advertising budget process. It is the presentation and approval of the budget. The budget prepared by the advertising manager is presented to the CEO, who may modify the budget on the basis of the prevailing marketing condition and the management requirements. Even the financial manager is also consulted before taking the final decision. So, after the preparation of budget, it is to be presented to the higher-ups for its perusal and approval. In this step, the advertising manager has to persuade the management at top level to give the seal of approval. This is the second step in advertising budget process. Then the third step in the budget making process is the execution of the advertising plan. That means administration of advertising spending is a routine activity, and the important task undertaken for this purpose is the purchase of authorized time and space over the media. That is the finalization of advertising agencies. And so the cost of advertising production, such as making television commercials, is also a significant element in the overall expenditure for advertising. That is, the advertising manager should be certain that the expenses are made in accordance with the approved plan and in economical manner. That is the budget execution process. And the last step is control of budget, or to exercise budgetary control. It is the duty of advertising manager to see whether the actual advertising expenditures coincide with the budgeted expenditure or not. A procedure must be evolved which brings information about current expenditure to the advertising manager. So it is a process of comparing the actual advertising expenditures with the budgeted expenditures, and the advertising budget should not be less than advertising expenditure. Okay, that means it is the duty of the advertising manager to see whether actual advertisement expenditure coincide with the budgeted expenditure or not. So the figures of actual expenditure should then be compared with the planned expenditure. Both must run parallel if the budget is to serve as a control. There should be separate budget for each activity like public relation, packaging and sales promotion, etc. So we can conclude that advertising budget process is a series of it involves a series of steps such as collection of data and preparation of budget, then presentation and approval of the budget, budget execution, and finally control of budget.